Like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Taikina Beauty and I'm going to do a Lorac Pro palette tutorial for you guys, so stay tuned. So I'm going to start off with my Benefit Cream Gel Brow Color with Brush in the number 5. And I'm going to go in with that with my Equal Tools angled brush. I love it. Very cheap and good. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Sonia Kashuk brow brush, and I'm gonna brush that in and clean it up and make sure it looks more natural. Then I'm gonna go with my Broken Sonia Kashuk brow cream. I like this a lot. It's good consistency. I got it on sale, so I can't go wrong with that. So yeah, next I'm going in with my Dip Set Brow by Benefit, the gel, just to set everything. Then I'm going in with my NYX Gotta Have It concealer. I'm gonna dab that in. I notice I really like concealers better than primers. I think they last long and it makes the color pop on your lids. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dab that in and dab on you guys. So yeah, now I'm going in with my Fenty in the color 300. Gonna use my trusty dirty beauty blender. I noticed that the Blue Beauty Blender gets it done quicker, better than my fingers. And now I'm going in with the Well People, the Realist powder. I believe that's in the number 23. Oh, I thought it was 3. Now we're going to go in with the Lorac Pro in top. I'm going to dust that on in a circular motion. Make sure I get like a nice color that I like. Now I did everything off the dome, so this was just all what I thought the colors would be good together. So I really like top as a transition color. Then next I'm going to go in with Mauve. I think top and Mauve mixed together looks very nice. Gives like a pretty, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like a good transition color. It's kind of like a tan, kind of like a Mauve, so it's like the best of both worlds, you know? Then I'm definitely going back in with that, dusting it on as desired. Then I'm going in with my Equals tool. I love it. It's like a dual in blending and shading brush, smudge brush, excuse me. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Blend, 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 like a blender, like a smoothie blender. So yeah. Then I'm going in with Garnet. Oh my gosh, this is a pretty color and you wouldn't think it would be great in the crease. You think it would just go on the lid, but I love it. I don't think the sparkles give away too much, but I thought this would be a good enhancement for a crease color for what I'm about to do for you guys. So I'm pretty excited for you guys to see what's coming up next. And I'm blending that back out and I'm going in with Espresso, this beautiful chocolate brown color. I'm pretty sure the name gives it away. Gonna put that on the lid. I wanted something dark just to make it pop and look different, and I'm definitely gonna blend that out, and you'll see why I used a dark color on the lid instead of, you know, not. So yeah, let's see how this is gonna go. Next I'm going in with, oh my gosh, the Dose of Colors Katie times Z Perkins, and I went in with the color Harpoon. Very pretty color. Hard to explain how it is, but it's gorgeous. It's like a black, but it has like green in it. Then I'm actually going in with my Morphe in the color Road Trip. I want to like help enhance the garnet, so I'm gonna put like an orange under it to help, like, definitely help that crease color out. Make it pop a little bit more, but garnet still looks lovely over it, and I still think Road Trip isn't powering over it. So I'm definitely gonna blend that out, and as you can see, like, it's coming together slowly but surely, and I'm pretty excited about this. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty, and I'm using my Becca foundation brush. I am crazy about this foundation brush. I really like it. I tend to use a beauty blender, but I think I fell in love with a foundation brush. Really gets in and like blends. So yes, I was excited, of course. And I'm blending that bad boy in, and then going back in with the beauty blender just to make sure I blend, because I am a victim of not blending things in and being in pictures and seeing it just caked on me. So yes, this is like a long process. I think it's very necessary to make sure you have everything blended in. Now I'm going back in with my NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer. I love this bad boy. It conceals very nicely. It reminds me of a dupe of very well-known concealers that cost triple and double the price. Yeah, it's amazing. I have no complaints. It stays all days. It sets very well with powder. It's a winner for sure. But yeah, now I'm going back in, and I noticed that I like to blend up when I get under the eye area, and I like to go back in with my foundation on top of the concealer, just because sometimes concealers can come off too bright on my skin tone and it just looks really bad. So I always 9 times out of 10 go back in with the foundation just so I don't look cakey. So next is powder. Oh, I thought it was. It's contouring time. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Mocha. This is awesome because it's a rare brown that's not too red, not too orange for my skin tone. It's like the perfect cool brown. I'm gonna put that on the nose, on the cheekbones, on the jawline, and blend it with a beauty blender because I have noticed that the beauty blender gives me the best blending process, and I always blend up on my cheekbones because I do notice when I do that it doesn't drag down. As if I were to blend down on my cheekbones, it would just go everywhere and it would just look crazy, like I just shaded my skin darker. Now I'm lightly doing the sides of the nose and I'm almost done. So now I'm going back in with the I'm going back to blend because I messed up. Yeah, you definitely have to make sure you blend, especially if you put a lot of product on, and I noticed with the contouring I did. So now we're going back in with the Well People Realist powder in the number 23, and now we're going in with the Sonia Kashuk blush brush, and the blush in the color Melon. This is a nice soft blush color. A little doesn't go a long way. You do have to build it up. And now I'm going in with this Guerlain Terracotta bronzer and this wonderful Sonia Kashuk. I just love Sonia Kashuk a contouring brush. I got this on sale for $3 at Target. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, $3. That's why I'm dancing. That's why I'm happy. And now I'm going in the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit. I'm using Eclipse. Oh, that's a cute name. I'm gonna put that on the sides where it's naturally going to glow. Gotta check it out for a little bit. Then I'm going in with my Japonesque brush. Then I'm going in with my Sonia Kashuk contouring brush. I do like to use it as a highlighting brush. Then I'm going in with Luna. Such a pretty, like, iridescent moon color. Perfect name for it, of course. Yes, I like to look like a glazed donut. I like to look like I was dipped in oil and I ate oil or fried chicken. So yeah, now I'm gonna go and do the under eyes. I like to put eyeshadow under there, and I'm going in with Top and Mauve. I mixed it, and I'm gonna lightly put that in with my EcoTools eyeshadow brush. I use that brush the main time when I put it on the lid and in the crease. It's just the EcoTool. It came in a pack. That's why I'm happy. And now I'm going in with my Kiko mascara. This mascara is the biz. It's the bid. It's a volumizing waterproof mascara. You can get this online. They had it at my mall. It's its own little store. It's called the Kiko store. Super cute. I want to learn more information about it, and I guess I will tell you guys once I do. It volumizes the heck out of my eyelashes. I feel like you can do it for anybody if you really don't have any. It does clump up over time. That's my one complaint about it. But I use other mascaras to like help clean that out. I didn't think the glow was enough, so I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlighter. Dabbing it in, and I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. So I'm gonna use the Sonia Kashuk contouring brush. Enough the chit chat. I'm done, but here's how I do my lips, so stay tuned.